This is the next question. If the diameter of a circle is doubled, find its circumference. So find out the correct choice and let's see when we come back what the correct choice is. Now the circumference has got a formula. So what is the formula? Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. I can rewrite this as pi times of 2 times r. But 2 times r is nothing but d. So the formula circumference is going to be equal to pi times d. Given the diameter is doubled, so that means d becomes equal to 2 times d. So therefore the circumference is going to be pi times of 2d, which is nothing but 2 times pi d. But d is equal to 2 times r, so it's going to be 2 times pi of 2 times r, which is equal to 4 times pi r, which I can actually rewrite this as 2 times of 2 pi r. But the circumference is actually 2 pi r, right? So this means the circumference of the circle, what happens here? Initially it is 2 pi r, now it becomes 2 times of 2 pi r. So that means the circumference of the circle doubles. So that's a choice. So this is the next question.